At the police station currently, we are moved from the old analog OB to the digital OB. So at the digital OB, we can now be able to make a record. This is all the digital OB, analog. This is digital now. On the digital, we can be able to make crime reports, incidents, and accidents from the members of the public. And we normally give a ticket for the OB entry to when a crime or report is made by the public. Okay. So the officer, the reportee goes with the digital OB as a receipt, as a ticket.
You give them a number?
Yes, sir. The entry has been already taken care by the...
your entry?
Yes, sir. Then we have also been able to...
Are you able to maybe send that digital OB number to their phone? Maybe
yes, sir. We can do it. We can do it.
You can have it on his phone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
We have also... Yes, sir.
Where do you have centralized so that maybe...
Yes, we have it, sir. Yes.
All the OBs. So that whole reporting mechanism. How many police stations will be digital by when?
Currently in Nairobi we have 97, sir.
Out of how many police stations?
Out of 1,300. And
when do you intend to make sure that every police station has a digital reporting? How many police stations do you have nationally? The whole country. Okay. So we have 97. Work with the ICT people. Yeah.
Sir, we have the certificate of good conduct, which is already in the e-citizen platform, and members of the public can be able to apply and also download and do payments on the e-citizen for the certificate of good conduct. We are making around per year, we're getting 1 billion shillings from the certificate of good conduct, sir. Yes. And in near future, we are intending to expand to around 3 billion. Yes, sir. Then we are also, on the process we are doing with the NTSA and other stakeholders, we are doing the instant fine. Yes. And will be, yes, that one will be on e-citizen platform, and will be making over 5 billion shillings per year.
What is the plan? How far are we from actualizing All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.